On this course, we're going to be talking about installing an AED cabinet. However, we are not going to be talking about the electrical safety side. Now, when you buy this defibrillator cabinet, it'll come with a lead. You can physically just plug it into the wall. But even that said, please use a qualified electrician to do any electrics. So you can hardwire them into the mains, again by a professional electrician, or you can put them into a plug. If you are plugging it into the wall, make sure the plug is clearly marked to tell people not to turn it off. Because if you turn it off, then the lighting and the heating elements will not work on the defibrillator cabinet. So even on this unit, you'll see the wire is coming out the bottom of the unit. This is because our electricians are coming out tomorrow to properly install this. But on the course, we're not going to tell you how to install the electrics, so that must be done by a qualified electrician.